And he's not, he's not.
And you see that it's now.
It has to be more thick, because we use more time.
Why do you cut it?
Why are you doing this?
I have to lose the water in the curd.
Oh, so it separates the water from the curd.
Yes, in the curd, you feel with your finger.
Yeah. The fats.
Yes, and
So
that are part from 6 centimeter, but we need part from 3 till 4 millimeter. That's what we need.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So when we finish here, then the curd will be on the bottom and the whey will be on the top.
Yes.
I think it would be good for your skin.
Yes, okay. Then you take with your left hand there, and you put this piece. So. Yes, okay. And you go to there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy.
I can hardly read.
Okay. Okay. Yes, dat gaat goed. En je gaat gewoon hier. Over there.
Like this?
Kijk.
No.
Look, you take it. You do it.
Oh, just a minute. Oh.
Yeah.
That's why I get covered head to foot in cheese and wax.
Yes. And we have 17,000 kilo of
Wow.
cheese. We store them here, yes, and we clean them.
You clean the cheese?
Yes, and they change the cheese 1 in a year.
And yeah, that's okay. Yeah. And in April we go baking in Dubai.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it your first time there?
No,
Okay.
second. Yeah. On the Emirates golf course.
So, let's see.
200
So that's the dough.
Can you open it so you don't
Oh, yeah, yeah.
This is the handle bit.
Do you always sell all your waffles, or do you have leftovers?
Yeah, we sell all waffles.
And then,
This is the gluten-free waffles.
and then,
Only push.
Oh, just push and go.
This is.
What do you do?
what's that?
Okay, so okay, here's the little paper. So you,
Can I have one of those? One of those?
Yeah.
No. Like that?
Yes.
This is butter, sugar.
Yeah, it's like a caramel, and Dutch people do like a sugar syrup on pancakes, like this, and then with cinnamon. But it's like a, yeah, the most is like a caramel.
Is it enough?
A little bit more, yeah. We have over there 400 kilograms. A very sweet waffle, it's possible.
More? No, it's good.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. So I just press with the other one, like.
Yeah.
So do poor people eat just a stroopwafel, or what do they eat them with? Like tea or what?
Yeah, with tea.
That was amazing, and I really liked the cheese making in the morning, and it was amazing to get to actually stick your hands in the cheese and the curds and the whey and move them into their molds and touch all the different cheeses. So that was my favorite part.
I loved everything about the tour, from the cheese part to the stroopwafel experience. We saw 2 amazing towns, and Vera is a fantastic guide, so I really recommend this tour.
I enjoyed making the stroopwafel and eating it. It was delicious.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the hands-on benefits for everyone, where we could really get in and participate instead of just watch something all the time. And Vera was a great guide.
Yeah, being able to make the cheese was an unforgettable experience, and we got to see the beautiful Netherlands countryside of Holland, and we are leaving with smiles on our faces and our bellies are full.